What if I told you staying broke and building wealth is not about making more money, it's about making a budget what you already have. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, this video is for you. I'm going to give you exact system I use to budget like a pro in 2025 and also demo you my Excel template what I use to save more money and make it work for me as an investment. Stick around because at the end you will walk away with all the information you need to start budgeting for today. Hey guys, my name is Imran. I help you make more money with your career and also budget like a pro. Today I'm breaking down all the steps required to save money and also make it work for you even if you are making $30,000 or $100,000 per month. I will share 3 easy ways how you can start budgeting and also provide you the Excel template so that you can save money more. If you are serious about making money in 2025, let's dive in and hit the subscribe button. Let's talk about step number 1, track everything. In this step, you want to use some of the free tools available online. I can give you 3 tools. At first, you can use Fudget. There is no login required. You can start using Fudget app just from today. You can download the app from Android App Store or iOS App Store. If you want to be sophisticated with your money, you can start using Rocket Money mobile app or actually website, where you can link your bank account and you can start transferring money and also track expense income from one place. If you are a spreadsheet fan, I will share my Google Excel template which would be very handy for tracking all the income and expenses, and you can top up your game. Step 2, choose your method. Each person is different based on their lifestyle and also the income and expenses. So from the below 3 steps, you can pick one what works for you. You can use the 50-30-20 method. The 50% would go to your needs, 30% will go to your wants, and 20% will go to your savings. You can use envelope method for track your income and expenses, not like physical envelope, you can use digital envelope. As soon as you are running out of money from your digital envelope, you cannot spend any money till the next month. The third option, I'll talk about zero-based budgeting, where each dollar gets a work needs to be done. This is a good way to start budgeting because in this case, you spend every dollar based on the expenses you need. Let's go to step 3, automate everything. In this step, I will also talk about 3 different ways you can use automate everything to start budgeting in 2025. For the first part of automation, what I would prefer you to do that actually you can set up a automatic transfer from your checking account to the savings account as soon as you get a paycheck from your employer. Second thing I want to talk about, review everything. First Sunday of each month, you want to check what did you do the last month income and expenses from your Excel template or any other app you are using. This one habit saved me thousands of dollars per month. I also want to reiterate about the emergency fund. You can start small, just want to save $1,000 for the emergencies, but try to grow up to 1 month of expenses. And if you are really serious about emergency fund like me, try to save at least 3 months of expense in your emergency fund. Let's take a look at some of the pro tips. First thing you can figure out, pay yourself first. As soon as you get a paycheck, try to automatically transfer some portion of the money, at least 20% to your savings account. And I would add one more thing, if you can start investing in index fund using dollar cost average, that will help you a lot in the long run. Second pro tip, 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something with more than $100, spend a night thinking about it. After 24 hours, you can only purchase the actual product. Sometimes it will save you a lot of money. Third pro tip, budget for fun. You can spend some money on the fun activities. Just set aside $100 or $200 per month, which you want to spend as a guilt-free trip. Now you have got the exact template to budget like a pro in 2025. Download my Excel template and start budgeting today. If you are serious about increasing your income too, take a look at my resume booster kit, which would help you to land high-paying tech job in 2025. Because more money makes it a lot easier for budgeting. Drop your biggest budgeting challenge in the comment section. I will personally read all the comments and try to help you out. And if you need help with any sort of budgeting or investing, you can schedule a call with me. I will share the calendar link in the description below, and I will see you all in the next video.